Okay, so our material today, Unit 1, Unusual Sports. Okay, so here we will have warm up atau pemanasan. Look at these pictures and describe what you see. Okay, so here we have four pictures. Ada empat foto nih. Picture number one, number two, number three, and number four. Okay, now I want you to try to describe about the pictures. Ada yang mau coba nih untuk mendeskripsikan about the picture tentang foto ini? Ada yang mau coba? Chris, Zahra, you wanna try? Picture number one, number two, number three, or number four? Number one or number two? Oke, ada yang mau coba? It feels free to choose. Bebas nih mau pilih yang mana nih. Chris, you wanna try?
Aku nggak tahu nama olahraganya apa ya?
Nggak tahu nama. Oke, oke. How about Zahra?
Tahu.
You wanna try? Zahra mau mencoba? Oke, I will give you the sport ya. Di sini ada empat olahraga nih. Number one, that is something like skateboard ya, atau orang bermain skateboard. So that is picture number one. And that picture number two is someone is walking in rope atau berjalan or hanging in rope. And number three is handball atau bola tangan. And number three is number four, that is kayaking. Kayaking is like olahraga di perahu menggunakan dayung ya. Oke, there's about four pictures. Oke, or do you want to describe about the picture? Ada yang mau mendeskripsikan fotonya nggak nih? Grace, Zahra, you want to try? Okay, how about Grace? Can you describe what can you see in the picture number three? Foto nomor tiga nih, Grace. Yang menurut Grace tahu nih, oke, nggak perlu takut salah ya. It feels free to try. Bebas, balik aja. Gimana, Grace?
I don't know, Kak.
Oke, oke, it feels free. Kak. Menurutmu picture number three ngapain nih kelihatannya? Based on your opinion. And Zahra, you can try the picture number two, Zahra. Do you want to try picture number two? That is like a girl hanging in a rope. Okay, coba Zahra, can you try to describe it?
This is a ziplining
Ziplining, okay, and then?
and adventurous outdoor activity. In this sport, a person slide down and a steel cable using a pulley, usually
Mhm.
from a high point to a lower one. It gives a thrilling experience and allow people to enjoy the beautiful view from above.
Oh, that's cool answer. Good job. So there is ziplining, yeah, based on your opinion. Ziplining. So person hanging in a rope and start from the above until to the down. Jadi agak turun ke bawah gitu ya, Zahra.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
that's cool opinion. So they can see the nature atau alam in the surrounded and it is in outdoor activity. Okay, good job, Zahra. Okay, how about you, Grace? You wanna try, Grace?
Yeah, yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Uh, picture number three kan?
Oke, atau mau yang lain
Eh
boleh juga nih.
itu seseorang itu someone ya,
Yang someone,
someone playing handball
mhm,
or is playing tournament. Ya, itu
turnamen,
aja.
handball
Ya,
turnamen.
ya, itu aja, that's all.
Okay, so that is picture number three. Someone plays handball, so he tries to pass the ball ya, mau mencoba untuk melemparkan bola gitu ya, Grace.
Ya, ya, Kak.
Oke. Alright, that's a good try in the first warm up in the pemanasan. Okay, thank you very much Zahra and Grace for trying in warm up untuk pemanasan kali ini. Okay, that is from warm up. Okay, now let's move to here. So I want to ask you number two. What are your favorite and least favorite sports? Ini ada dua pertanyaan nih. Ini pertanyaannya, apa olahraga favorit kamu? Boleh dijawab nih. Dan mana juga olahraga yang tidak kamu sukai? Less favorite olahraga terakhir yang nggak apa yang kurang kamu sukai. Jadi olahraga yang kamu sukai and olahraga yang tidak kamu sukai. What are your favorite and less favorite sports? Oke, ada yang mau menjawab? Chris, Zahra? Oke, how about Zahra? Zahra, you wanna try it first? What are your favorite and less favorite sports? Apa olahraga favoritmu dan yang kurang kamu sukai?
Let's check it.
Okay, Grace, you wanna try, please?
My favorite sport itu I like swimming.
You like swimming, and then
Uh, and I don't like sport volleyball. Volleyball. Volleyball.
volleyball.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Why you don't like volleyball, Grace?
It's difficult. Susah.
It, oh, it is difficult, so you have to learn the technique, yeah.
Ah yeah.
Oh, you have to learn the technique, and that is too difficult for you. So you don't like volleyball, yeah.
Yes, Kev.
Okay, so your favorite is swimming and less favorite is volleyball. Okay, that's
Yeah.
a great answer, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, then after Grace will be Zahra. Zahra, you wanna try?
Yes, Kev.
Okay, please.
My favorite sport is basketball.
Oh, your favorite basketball. So do
Yeah.
you join team?
Yes.
Wow, so you join team in your school?
Yes.
Wow, that's cool, Zahra. And then less favorite sport
And uh, uh, mm,
yang kurang disukai
swimming.
nih. Swimming,
Swim.
you don't like swimming?
Yes.
Why?
Because I have a trauma.
Oh, you have trauma in swimming pool?
Yes.
Uh, are you drowned? Tenggelam?
Iya.
Oh, that's so scared. Menakutkan banget ya. Okay, so your favorite sport is basketball and your less favorite sport is swimming. Okay, that is
Yes.
in contrast with Grace ya, berlawanan sama Grace. Okay, okay, good job Grace and Zahra. Perfect. Thank you very much for trying answer this one. Good job. Okay, then we will continue to this part. Okay, we will have here in the group one here we have match its word and praise its correct definition. Okay, so we have five vocabulary and five definition. Okay, now I want you to match the vocabulary into the correct definition. Okay, who wants to try first? We have five vocabularies, five words here. Have a go at, lifeguard, artificial, prohibited, and curved. Ada lima nih. And we have five definition.
I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Number two, lifeguard.
Lifeguard with
Definition of a person. A B C D E.
E. Okay, okay, please
E.
read the definition.
Yeah. Ah.
Please read the definition, yeah.
Oh, a person at a beach or a swimming pool will rescue people from the water. Hmm.
A person at beach or swimming pool who rescues people from the water, ya. Rescues, ya.
Okay.
Oke, seseorang di pantai atau di kolam renang yang menyelamatkan orang dari air? Oke, the answer is correct, Chris. Good job. Oke, that is for number two. We have four left, tinggal empat nih. So, once you try, we have artificial or habitual.
Uh,
Okay, Zahra,
uh,
you want to try?
I wanna try number one.
Number one with
B.
B. Okay, please read the definition.
Try to do something.
Try to do something, mencoba untuk melakukan sesuatu. So, number one, the answer is B. Okay, good job. Okay, perfect, Zahra. Okay, we have three left, tinggal tiga nih. Artificial, prohibited, and curve. So, who wants to try?
I'm gonna try number three.
Number
Art
three, okay, please.
of D.
Artificial. D. Okay, please read
Yeah.
the definition.
Not natural, made by people.
Not natural, made by people. So that is artificial. Buatan, tidak alami, buatan orang. Oke, benar banget, Grace. Your answer. Good job. Oke, so we have two left. Tinggal dua nih.
I wanna try number five.
Number five. Okay, please.
C.
C. Okay, please read the definition.
In a shape that looks like part of a circle.
In a shape that looks like part of our circle. Oke, benar banget. In a shape, ini bentuk yang that looks like part of our circle. Seperti bagian dari lingkaran ya. Oke, the last number four. Who wants to try?
Ask. Enggak, aku aja. I wanna try.
Okay, please.
Uh, A. Definition
Prohibited
of
with A.
A.
Okay, please read the definition.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Tidak diizinkan. Prohibited. Dilarang. Oke, bener banget. That is not allowed. Okay, good job. That is for group one. Okay, we only try in the group one. So now here we will match here. We will match the five here. So that is five vocabulary here. You have to fill into the B part here. Jadi only five. You have to find the answer. Kalian harus menemukan nih jawabannya di lima vocabulary ini. Oke, wait. Let me make the tulisan, the word. Okay, so here the sentences and you have to fill in here. So this is the choose, the options. We have a go at, lifeguards, artificial, prohibited, and curve. And you have to fill into these sentences. Jadi ada lima nih harus kalian isi dari 10. Oke, do you get the point? Paham nggak kira-kira? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to find the sentence. Which one is the correct one? Oke, please silahkan.
I wanna try number one.
Oke, number one, please.
I had a weekend away from the beach and my job as a lifeguard and want to relax.
Oke, number one, the answer is lifeguard. Oke, benar banget. Oke, Zara, can you translate it into Indonesian?
Uh, um, saya
Mhm.
saya pergi
Punya,
libur punya
I had,
punya
atau,
bentar sir.
I had a weekend away from the beach.
Eh, saya punya waktu
Akhir
akhir
pekan
pekan jauh
di
dari
pantai.
pantai dan pekerjaan saya
Mhm.
adalah penjaga pantai.
Oke, and
Da- dan saya ingin bersantai.
Oke, bener banget. Oke, good job, Zahra. So, number one, the answer is lifeguard, penjaga pantai. Oke, good job, Zahra. Oke, then we have four left, tinggal empat nih. Yang lifeguard udah dijawab. So, we have four. Have a go at artificial, prohibited, and curve. Oke, Grace, Aska, you can try. Mau coba yang mana nih? Have a go at artificial, prohibited, curve. Ada empat lagi nih. Mencoba melakukan sesuatu, have a go at, and artificial buatan, tidak alami, and then curve, melengkung, atau bentuk seperti sebagian dari lingkaran. Oke, kira-kira apa nih? We have four left, tinggal empat nih. Oke, Aska, you wanna try Aska? Or Grace, you wanna try Grace? Atau masih bingung semua nih? Mau ditaruh yang mana ini? It because we have many option ya, ada banyak banget 10. Jadi harus memilih 5. Tinggal 9 lagi nih. Oke, ada yang mau menjawab lagi di sini? Or I will give you the choose. Oh, pilihan.
I will try that.
Oke, Aska, you wanna try which one?
Number 5.
Number 5. Okay, please.
Uh, Tournament.
No.
Number 4, sorry.
Number 4. Number 4?
Yeah, tournament.
Oh, turnamen. Oke, itu ada di jawaban yang sesi 2 ya. Oke, Aska, dijawabnya yang ini aja ya. Pilihannya ada 4, ada 5 nih. Have, go, add,
Oh,
artificial, prohibited, sama curve. Ini aja nih. Bisa?
okay. Wait,
Oke,
yeah.
oke. Oke,
I wanna
yang...
try.
Oke, Grace, you wanna try which one?
Number five, maybe.
Number 5. Oke, please.
Apa itu ya? Artificial.
Artificial. So, okay, please read the sentence, Grace.
But golf outside on real grounds is very different from playing on artificial grass. We didn't have the same control of the ball.
Artinya apa nih, Grace? Can you
Itu.
translate it into Indonesian?
Tetapi apa kok?
Mhm.
Tetapi bermain bermain
Bermain golf
ya main golf
di luar,
di
luar
tadi
ruang, di
di
luar,
luar ruangan
hmm,
sungguh berbeda
on real ground,
sungguh berbeda dengan apa ya
on real
sungguh
ground apa
sangat
kira-kira?
berbeda apa
On real ground apa coba? On real ground,
nah on real girl Eh,
real
di
ground. Jadi
tanah
ground itu tanah asli ya.
tanah ya ya di tanah
Mm-mm.
sungguh sangat berbeda
Mm-mm.
bermain di
From
tempat yang sama kemudian artificial buatan iya
artificial grass. Jadi rumput,
eh, rumput dan kami
rumput buatan
tidak
ya.
melakukannya. Kami tidak melakukannya dan memiliki kendali
And
terhadap
we
bola.
didn't have the same control of the ball gitu ya. Kita tidak punya gimana?
Ken, Hah? Kita
We
tidak
didn't have,
punya.
kita tidak punya.
Yang mana?
We didn't have itu kita tidak punya ya.
Aku akan melakukan.
Bukan ya, we didn't have itu kita tidak punya. Eh,
Oh,
karena didn't ini gandengannya no, artinya tidak ya untuk have-nya. We didn't have.
oh ya ya.
We didn't have, kita tidak punya. The same control of the ball. Kita tidak punya same
Kendali.
control, kontrol yang kendali yang sama atas bola, gitu ya.
Ya,
Oke,
yes.
so number five, the translation is but, tapi bermain golf di luar ruangan di tanah subuhan sangat berbeda dari bermain di rumput buatan. Kita tidak punya kontrol atau kendali yang sama dari bolanya. Oke, that is for number five. Oke, good job, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace, for trying number five. Oke, then we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. Have a go at, prohibited, and curve.
Try that.
Oke, Aska, you wanna try which one?
Number two.
Number two. Okay, please.
Have a go at
Have.
golf.
Okay, so number two. Okay, please read the sentence.
Yeah. We decide to kami memutuskan to have bermain ya, bermain bermain
Have a
golf
go at. Okay, we decided to have go at golf gitu ya.
ya.
Artinya tadi apa, Aska?
Kami memutuskan untuk
Mhm.
bermain golf.
Oke, kami memutuskan untuk bermain golf. Oke, bener banget, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska. Oke, then we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Tinggal dua lagi. Prohibited and proof. Tinggal prohibited sama proof nih. Ayo, ayo, tinggal dua. Kira-kira yang mana nih? Ayo. Tinggal dua.
I
Bingung ya pasti. Oke. Sekarang, Grace, you wanna try?
itu eight.
Number eight. Okay, please.
Prohibited.
Prohibited. Okay, please read the sentence.
I also didn't know that it was prohibited to pick up someone else's ball. So when I found it, I picked it up and gave it back to her.
Oke,
Gave.
the answer is prohibited. Oke, benar banget, Grace. Jawaban adalah prohibited, dilarang. I also didn't know that it was prohibited. Aku juga tidak tahu bahwa itu juga dilarang untuk mengambil bola orang lain. Ketika aku menemukannya, aku memungutnya dan mengembalikannya kepadanya. Oke, jawabannya adalah prohibited. Oke, good job, Grace.
Yeah.
Oke, so that is for number eight. Oke, we have one left. Tinggal satu nih. Curve. Kira-kira yang mana nih? The last one here. Hmm.
Aku deh kalau nggak ada yang mau.
Oke, please. Yang mana?
Eh, Number three itu
Number
curved. Curved.
three. Hmm.
Ini.
Kurang tepat nih, bukan three ya.
Lalu
Lalu apa nih kira-kira? Selain three, kira-kira apa nih? Curve. Melengkung gitu. Bisa. Kira-kira apa nih? Bingung? My partner hit. Oh, jawabannya ada di nomor nomor berapa ya?
Try that.
Oke, Aska, you wanna try?
Ya, number seven.
Oke,
Cool.
number seven. Oke, please.
My partner hit the ball too hard. It curved through the air and disappeared behind a small hill.
Oke, benar banget. Curve ini menjadi kata kerja ya. Ini kan adjektif. Jadi berubah menjadi kata kerja. Menjadi curve. My partner hit the ball and disappeared. Oke, curve. Di sini menjadi kata kerja belok ya. Oke, benar banget Aska. The answer is curve. Oke, Aska, thank you very much. My partner hit the ball too hard. Rekanku memukul bolanya terlalu kencang dan ini belok through the air sampai ke udara dan menghilang behind a small hill, menghilang di belakang bukit kecil. Oke, benar banget Aska. Thank you very much Aska for trying this part. Okay, thank you very much everyone for trying this part. Good job. Okay, then after this part we will have here. Oh no, wait a minute. So I want you to answer to read this part. Okay, please open the PDF. Can you open the PDF that I've sent? Okay, Zahra, Grace, Aska, please open the PDF ya. And please read this part. Jadi silahkan dibuka PDF-nya dan dilihat di sini nih. And I want you to read this part and then answer here. Look at the questions below, read the article again, and complete the table. Put a cross in the correct boxes. Jadi yang menurut ada pilihannya nih, ada wheel swimming, curling, juggling, and sepak takraw. And you have to put cross, tanda X ya, tanda silang di pilihannya yang tepat. Oke, here I will just Grace untuk di. Oke, ada beberapa ya ini. Oke, it feels free ya, bebas mau pilih yang mana ya. Ada pilihannya you do this in a team, you need to move objects, take something from and try, you score points, you need to use your arms and try to be the first to reach the finish line. Okay, here I will choose Chris the curling, Zahra juggling, and Aska sepak takraw. Okay, is it okay? Chris, Zahra, Aska?
Okay, okay.
Okay, so Resti curling, juggling Zahra, and sepak takraw Aska. Okay, please. Okay, have you done? Udah selesai di sini?
Yeah,
Okay, Grace, you wanna try curling? So
yeah.
which one?
I,
Mana aja nih?
eh, apa ya jawabannya kalau silang?
Nah, kalau benar, kalau ada jawabannya berarti disilang ya. Put the cross. So you can choose which one, and I will cross the answer.
eh itu. Ya, kalau you do this in a team, ya.
Okay, do
Benar,
in
benar.
a team. And then, apalagi nih?
Oh, you need to move object. Ya.
You need to move object. Ya, apalagi nih?
eh apalagi tadi ya? Wait. You score point.
You score
Ya,
points. Oke, ada lagi?
itu aja.
Are you sure? Cuma tiga?
Iya, teks
Ada
ya.
lagi nih. Ada one more. Satu lagi nih. Mana lagi nih?
Wait. Apa ini teks ya? Oh iya, enggak.
Apa nih kira-kira?
Telepon.
Bingung
Wait.
ya? Ada ya? Ada you do this in a team, melakukan secara kelompok, secara tim. You need to move objects, harus memindahkan objects. Take something warm and dry, membawa sesuatu hangat dan kering. You score points, menghitung poinnya, menghitung skornya. You need to use your arms, kamu perlu menggunakan tangan. Try to be the first to reach the finish line. Mencoba menjadi yang pertama untuk mencapai garis finish. Oke, kira-kira satu
Oh,
lagi apa nih?
itu. eh you need to use your arms.
Oke, bener banget. You need
Hah?
to use your arm ya. Oke,
Oke.
oke, Chris, do you know curling? Tahu curling nggak?
Enggak, kritik ya?
Curling. Ini olahraga loh, olahraga. Kira-kira tahu nggak olahraga curling?
Nggak tahu.
Nggak tahu ya, itu olahraga yang itu. Kalau kamu tahu kayak mirip olahraga bersih-bersih, tahu nggak?
Hmm,
Yang
bersih-bersih.
ada barang, terus dilempar, orang depannya harus gosok-gosok ke lantainya. Pernah lihat nggak?
Oh iya. I know.
Nah, harus di posisi yang tepat.
Rebut.
Pernah lihat?
Ya, pernah.
Oke, so that is curling ya.
Ya, oke.
Mungkin kita agak jarang dengar di Indonesia ya buat curling. Oke, good job, Grace. That is correct. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, then. Zara, Aska, you want to try? So, which one? Zahra or Aska nih? Siapa nih yang mau duluan?
Try Cap.
Oke, Aska, please.
Uh, Sepak takraw. You do this in a team, yes.
Oke, bener banget. And then?
You need to move object, yes.
Oke, and then?
You score point, yes.
Oke, and then? Ada lagi?
Um, Result,
That's all? Oke,
yeah.
bener banget ya. Hanya tiga ya. Karena sepak takraw nggak pakai tangan ya. Menggunakan kaki. Is that true, Aska?
Yeah, true.
Okay, so the answer is three. You do this in a team, you need to move objects, and you score points. Okay, perfect answer, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska. Okay, that is for number, so for sepak takraw. Okay, then we have joggling. Okay, so Zahra, you wanna try?
I wanna try.
Okay, please, Zahra.
You need to move object.
You need to move object. Okay,
You need to use your arms
okay, benar.
and try to be the first to reach the finish line.
Oke, try to be the first to reach the finish line. Oke, benar banget nih. Oke, the answer is you need to move the objects, you need to use your arms, and try to be the first to reach the finish line. Oke, good job, Sarah. Sarah, do you know joggling? Tahu joggling nggak, Sarah?
Eh, Kayak lari sambil melempar gitu, menangkap
Oke,
benda.
sambil ngelempar bola gitu ya.
Iya.
Oke, that's correct, Sarah. Oke, thank you very much, Sarah. Good job. Okay, that is so perfect, everyone. So, Grace, Zahra, and Aska, good job. Okay, thank you very much for trying this one. Okay, so now here, let's move to here. Focus on language models. So here we have models. So this is we have kita ada tiga models nih. We have okay from the first year. I want you to try this three one. Ada tiga pertama nih. I want you to find which one is model. Oke, kita ada tiga sentences. We have three sentences here, and I want you to find which one is models. Models. Models first. Oke, you want to try? Or kamu bingung nggak nih kira-kira?
Masih bingung.
Masih bingung nggak? Jadi di sini kita akan menemukan models. So, menurut kalian yang termasuk models dalam sentence ini yang mana nih? Yang menurut kalian yang models yang mana? Number one yang mana? Number two yang mana? Number three yang mana? Yang models. Which of the sports would you like to try? What might be in a lake? And you could be great at juggling. Oke, kira-kira bingung nggak? Mana yang models gitu? Oke, Zahra, Aska, Grace, you have a question? Atau masih bingung? Hah, maksudnya apa nih, Coach? Emang apa maksudnya cap gitu? Gimana? Bingung atau sudah paham?
Masih
I don't
bingung,
know.
Cap.
Bingung ya? Oke, so we will try to answer this one. Oke, the meaning of models. Di sini ada models nih, ada kayak would. Nah, ini termasuk models. Ada might, ada could. Nah, ini termasuk models ya. Okay, this is part of modals. Look at this phrase and underline the modals verbs. Jadi di sini ada modals verbs. Oke, do you get the answer ya? Jadi jawabannya ada tiga nih. Ada would, ada might, ada could. That is modal. Do you get the answer? Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya modal di sini apa?
Ya,
Paham ya? Jadi untuk menyambungkan di sini. Jadi modal itu disebut ada kata kerja bantu. Jadi models. Jadi kata kerja bantu setelah gabungannya ada di verbnya. For the example here, kita ada verb be, ada could be. Be ini termasuk verb be, itu ada be juga. Kalau di sini verbnya ada like di sini. So di sini ada pilihannya nih. Kita ada would, might, could. Ada petik D juga nih. Ada pilihannya nih. Jadi di sini ada, as you can see here, I want you to fill this one. Di sini ada empat pilihannya. If di sini kalian tahu nggak artinya would, might, and could? Kalian tahu nggak artinya apa di sini? Do you know the definition? Tahu nggak artinya?
ya Cap.
Tahu ya yang would, might, and could. So now I want you to fill this into number one, two, three, and four. Diisi di empat nomor ini nih. If you want to try, you can answer it. If you blah 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 be the fastest runner in the world for the day, would you do it, girl? Blah blah blah. I have to go back to being normal the next day. Yes, but imagine the day was the day of the final running race in the Olympics, and you blah 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 win a gold medals. Well, I'm still not sure, but I blah blah blah. Oke, ada yang mau mencoba menjawab? Oke,
I
it
want
is.
to try.
Oke, which one, Grace?
Nomor bebas ya nomornya.
Bebas, bebas nomor berapa aja nih?
Number two.
Number two. Oke, it should be apa?
Eh, What? What? What?
Sorry,
Ah, What? Itu biasanya what? Jawabannya
would
what?
ya. Jawabannya adalah
Oh,
would. Jadi L-nya nggak dibaca ya. Jawabnya adalah would.
oke.
Yang ini benar?
Ya.
Would. Oke, the answer is correct. Would. Would I have to go back to being normal the next day? Oke, so here we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. Number one, number three, and number four. Oke, please. Semuanya ada masing-masing satu nih. It feels free to choose. Bebas nih mau pilih yang mana aja.
Try, Cap.
Oke, please.
Number one.
Number one. Oke.
Uh, Bolt, maybe.
Bull. Oke, ini masing-masing satu ya. Jadi bull tadi udah dijawab nih.
Oh,
Oke, berarti tinggal tiga pilihan lagi. Yang mana nih? Bebas mau
oh,
pilih yang mana aja.
my cat.
Mike, if
Ah,
you might be the fastest runner in the world for the day, will you do it? Oke, agak kurang tepat nih Aska, bukan Mike. Kira-kira apa nih?
jadi berarti cold.
Nah, berarti could. The answer is could ya. Jika kamu bisa menjadi pelari tercepat di dunia for the day, what would you do it? Oke, jawabannya adalah could. Oke, the answer is could. Okay, so we have two left. Tinggal dua. Okay, thank you very much Aska for trying number one. Good job. Okay, we have three and four. Tinggal nomor tiga sama nomor empat nih. Okay, who wants to try number three and number four? Zahra, you want to try Zahra?
I, hey,
Okay, Chris, you want to try, please?
I want to number apa ya ini? Four.
Number four. Okay, please.
Mike. Mike gimana sih bacanya?
Well, I'm
Mike.
not sure, but I might. Oke, jawabannya adalah might
Mike.
ya.
Mike. Ya.
Oke, bener banget. Might. Oke, so the answer is might. Okay, the last one here. So who wants to try the last one? Zahra, you want to try? Oke, tinggal satu jawaban nih. Siapa yang mau coba nih? Grace, Aska?
Aku aja deh.
Okay, so the answer is
Wood. Wood. Itu Wood. Yang sama nomor dua. Enggak sama.
yang jawabannya adalah yang benar banget. Itu singkatan dari work juga ya,
Ya.
tapi yang versi petik petik D or apostrophe D. So you win gold medals. Oke, benar banget nih jawaban petik D. Oke, thank you very much Chris, Zahra, and Aska for trying this one. Okay, that is for this one. Okay, so now here we will have listening part. So now I want you to listen to the audio. So we will have listening section. Okay, wait, let me reshare screen. Hmm. Okay, can you see the screen? Udah kelihatan belum screennya?
Belum. Oh, udah. Belum.
Udah ya? Udah? Belum?
Belum. Udah. Baru.
Udah ya? Okay, now, okay, can you listen to the audio? Kedengaran dengan audionya?
Thanks for showing me around.
No problem. I remember starting a new school. It can
Kedengaran nggak audionya itu tadi?
Kecil. Kecil banget suaranya.
Kecil banget suaranya.
Ya.
Padahal ini udah yang level maksimum.
be a bit scary on your own.
Yes, and I don't know where anything is.
Kedengaran nggak tadi?
Iya. Iya kayak
Kedengaran ya? Tapi kayaknya kecepatan ya. Kecepatan nggak menurut kalian?
Thanks for showing me around.
No problem. I remember starting a new school. It can be a bit scary on your own.
Yes, and I don't know where anything is.
Well,
Kecepatan nggak menurut kalian? Atau enough?
ya standar sih.
Standar. Oke, so you can listen that?
Ya.
Oke, so kalau menurut kalian kecepatan boleh agak di slowin nih. Kalau menurut kalian udah normal, oke. Now we will start to the audio.
Thanks for showing me around.
no problem. I remember starting a new school. It can be a bit scary on your own.
Yes, and I don't know where anything is.
Well, this is the notice board for students, where all the clubs and activities put up their news and things like that. Oh, look, it's Sports Week this week.
What's that?
Every year, the sports department organizes some new sports to try. Everyone registers for one, you train each afternoon, and then spend Friday afternoon doing it. Want to do the same one? Then we can do it together.
Sounds cool. What are the options?
Here, look at the poster. It seems there are 4 on offer. That one looks fun. Look at the photo. How did they do that without dropping everything?
Yeah, I was in my running team at my old school, but we never did any circus skills, and I'm awful at catching things generally. Never mind 3 things at the same time.
Well, that's what the training is for. It could be fun. I kind of prefer team games, though.
Yes, me too. How could we do the second one? It's 20 degrees outside.
Well, the school has buses. They'd take us to an ice rink, I guess. Looks interesting, but a bit slow.
Yes, and a bit like cleaning. That one looks more energetic and fun. We can play in a team. That will help me get to know people.
Don't you have to be really tall, though?
I played in defence for the volleyball team at my last school too, and I'm not so tall, so I don't think so. Anyway, it looks like good fun and I love ball games.
And everyone would probably help each other, and if nobody can use their arms, then the ball would come lower than in volleyball. It would be a bit like soccer, I think.
How about this one? I grew up by a lake and spent most of my time in the water. It would be so lovely. I'm a trained lifeguard too.
Are you? That's cool. But there's a little problem if we want to do it together.
What's that?
I can't swim. I went canoeing once and fell in. Someone had to pull me out of the water. I was freezing.
Oh, well, I can teach you, but probably best in a swimming pool to start with.
Really? Thanks.
Start at the weekend?
Sure.
Okay, so for Sports Week, we'll have a go at the other one then, right? The team ball game. What does it say? Sepak takraw. I don't know how to say the name.
Neither do I. Maybe that's the first thing they'll teach us.
Okay, so do you get the answer? Dapat jawabannya nggak kira-kira?
Tinggal di part 1 yang belum. Masih bingung.
Gimana maksudnya?
Part 1-nya masih belum ketemu.
Part satunya belum ketemu. Kalau part 2-nya ketemu?
Ya,
Okay, so you want to listen again or langsung menjawab nih?
lagi deh.
Lagi one more ya.
Ya.
Okay, one more and I will little bit slower. Agak diperlambat dikit ya.
Thanks for showing me around.
No problem. I remember starting a new school. It can be a bit scary on your own.
Yes, and I don't know where anything is.
Well, this is the notice board for students, where all the clubs and activities put up their news and things like that. Oh, look, it's Sports Week this week.
What's that?
Every year, the sports department organizes some new sports to try. Everyone registers for one, you train each afternoon, and then spend Friday afternoon doing it. Want to do the same one? Then we can do it together.
Sounds cool. What are the options?
Here, look at the poster. It seems there are 4 on offer. That one looks fun. Look at the photo. How did they do that without dropping everything?
Yeah, I was in my running team at my old school, but we never did any circus skills, and I'm awful at catching things generally. Never mind 3 things at the same time.
Well, that's what the training is for. It could be fun. I kind of prefer team games, though.
Yes, me too. How could we do the second one? It's 20 degrees outside.
Well, the school has buses. They'd take us to an ice rink, I guess. Looks interesting, but a bit slow.
Yes, and a bit like cleaning. That one looks more energetic and fun. We can play in a team. That will help me get to know people.
Don't you have to be really tall, though?
I played in defence for the volleyball team at my last school too, and I'm not so tall, so I don't think so. Anyway, it looks like good fun and I love ball games.
And everyone would probably help each other, and if nobody can use their arms, then the ball would come lower than in volleyball. It would be a bit like soccer, I think.
How about this one? I grew up by a lake and spent most of my time in the water. It would be so lovely. I'm a trained lifeguard too.
Are you? That's cool. But there's a little problem if we want to do it together.
What's that?
I can't swim. I went canoeing once and fell in. Someone had to pull me out of the water. I was freezing.
Oh, well, I can teach you. But probably best in a swimming pool to start with.
Really? Thanks.
Start at the weekend?
Sure.
Okay, so for Sports Week, we'll have a go at the other one then, right? The team ball game. What does it say? Sepak takraw. I don't know how to say the name.
Neither do I. Maybe that's the first thing they'll teach us.
Okay, so that is about the audio listening. Okay, do you get the answer? Dapat gak jawabannya kira-kira kalian?
Ragu sih.
Gue ya. Okay, so you want to try to answer? Mau coba menjawab?
Part 1 atau part 2?
It can be both. Boleh part 1, boleh part 2. Bebas nih.
Satu
You
aja
want
deh
to
part
try?
2.
Part 2. Okay, which one, Grace?
Number apa ya? 6.
Number 6. Okay, please read the sentence.
True. True, true.
Okay, read the sentence ya. Dijawab sentence kalimatnya ya.
They decide to have a swimming lesson on the weekend.
The answer is
True, true.
jawabannya adalah true. Benar banget ya. Jawabannya adalah true. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, good job, Grace. So just offered Mary ya, just menawari Mary untuk berlatih renang. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, good job, Grace.
Hmm.
Okay, the others, Zahra, Aska, you want to try?
Try Kak.
Okay, Aska, which one?
Number 2. Yang part
Okay,
2.
number 2, part 2. Okay,
Ya. True.
okay. So part 2, the answer is true. Okay, please read the sentence.
They can practice the new sport before playing it.
Okay, they can practice this new sport before playing it. The answer is true. Oke, benar banget. Jawabannya adalah benar. Oke, good job, Aska. Oke, then we have tinggal 6 nih. We have 6 left. Zahra, you want to try?
I wanna try number 3.
Number 3, okay, please.
Unless one of the sport takes place away from the school, it's true.
The answer is true. Oke, benar banget. Jawabannya adalah benar. Oke, good job, Zahra. Oke, next. Kita masih punya 5. We have 5 left. Oke, siapa lagi nih yang mau coba nih? It feels free to
Try
choose.
Kak.
What's number? Aska?
4.
Number 4. Okay, please.
False.
It's too warm to do a winter sport outside. Jawabannya false. Are you sure?
Oh. Ya.
Jawabannya true ya.
Oh, true. It's too
Number
warm.
4 is true. Jadi it's too warm to do a winter sport outside. Ini terlalu hangat untuk melakukan olahraga musim dingin di luar. Karena tadi dibilang kalau suhunya 20 degrees. Jadi 20 derajat ya. Terlalu hangat ya suhunya. Okay, so the answer is true. Okay, so we have berapa nih? Kurang 4 nih. We have
Ay,
4 left. Okay, Grace, what's number?
Number 7 tadi.
Number 7. Okay.
False. This
Number
answer false.
7, false. Why? Why is it false?
Hah? Ah,
Jawabannya salah. Kenapa kok bisa salah, Grace?
karena nggak mau. Itu lebih suka tim mereka.
Oke, neither of them mulai tidak mereka. Oke, jawabannya adalah tim. Mereka lebih suka bermain secara tim ya.
Hmm, ya.
Oke, the answer is false. Oke, good job. So you have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. 1, 5, and 8.
Hey.
Okay, please. What's the number?
8.
Number 8. Okay, please.
Yeah, this is true.
True. They decide to go while swimming for sports weekend. Sports week jawabannya
True. True.
true.
True.
So the answer is false ya jawabannya.
Why? Jadi,
False. They decide to go while swimming for sports week. Jadi jawabannya bukan yang ini ya, keputusan akhirnya bukan yang while swimming ya. Tapi mereka mau berlatih untuk belajar berenang ya.
oh, oke.
Oke, jadi bukan milih yang while swimming, tapi mereka mau berlatih renang di weekend ya. Oke, we have two left, tinggal dua nih. It's for week next week, both of them are tall. Oke, Zahra, Aska, you wanna try? Or I will call Zahra. You wanna try, Zahra?
No, I wanna try.
Okay, what's number?
5.
Number 5. Okay, please.
Both of them are tall is false.
False, bener banget ya. The answer is false. Karena tadi just bilang, I'm not so tall. Aku tidak terlalu tinggi. Oke, bener banget, Zahra. Good job, Zahra. Okay, that is for number 5. Okay, so number 1 here, who wants to try? The last one? Tinggal nomor 1 nih. Aska, you wanna try? Grace, you wanna try? Zahra, you wanna try? It's sports week next week. Jawabannya benar apa salah nih kira-kira?
That's right.
Okay, please.
True.
The answer is true. Jawabannya
False.
adalah false ya, Grace. False. Kenapa kok false? Karena it's sports week this week ya, bukan next week ya.
Yeah.
Jawabannya adalah minggu ini, bukan next week. Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this one. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, for trying this listening part 2. Okay, who wants to try part 1? Ada yang mau coba part 1 nggak nih? Khususnya yang nomor 2. What sport do they decide to do? Akhirnya olahraga apa nih yang mereka putuskan untuk lakukan nih?
Swimming. Ya,
Swimming?
berenang.
Bukan, karena ya, tadi aja udah salah nomor 8. They decide to
Oh
go
iya
while
ya.
swimming for swimming. Jadi bukan
Swimming.
yang swimming bed. Kira-kira apa nih?
Apa tadi ya? Bol tadi apa bola ya?
Berarti jawabannya apa nih kira-kira? What sport do they decide to do? Oke, jawabannya tadi. Oke, actually you can try to scan this QR. Ini kan ada QR code. You can scan it and then you can try to find the answer this. Oke, you can try to listen to the audio. Jika menurutkan kalian tidak menangkap, maksudnya apa nih? Because you can see the transcript. Okay, here you can see the transcript here. So the last one here, you can see here. So for Sports Week, we'll have a go for the one then right. The team ball game. What does it say? Sepak takraw? I don't know how to say that. Neither do I. Maybe that's the first thing they'll teach us. So jawabannya adalah sepak takraw ya. Answer is sepak takraw. And then this is for the first. What sports are available? Jadi jawabannya tadi ada di atas tadi ya, udah ada di pilihannya waktu reading. Jadi jawabannya ada juggling, terus ada curling, and then sepak takraw, and then the last wild swimming. Okay, this is the answer for this part. Okay, from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira?
No.
No? Zahra, Aska, do you have a question?
No.
No. Okay. Zahra, do you have a question? Zahra? Oke, sepertinya
Okay.
no. Oke, oke. Thank you very much everyone for joining this class today. Oke, the time is up ya, udah jam 21.34 nih. Oke, wait.